Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Clayton J, and I got a couple stories to tell about my work. I work in a fast food restaurant, and it's about these guys being like homophobic, transphobic, and racist, and it's just crazy. So let me first talk. I want you guys' opinion down in the comments, and tell me what side you're on and what you think about this situation. So let's get into it. The first situation is this morning. This one guy called another guy. Something, it was just blah blah blah. They're just talking back and forth, and it's like, bro, you're gay. And then I said, so, like, it wasn't talking to me, but I joined. I was like, what's wrong with being gay? What's wrong? And like, no, I meant like he can't get no girls. And it's like, you don't say you're gay if you can't get any girls. And that just annoyed me. And then next story is my girlfriend's the manager there, had to go up to the window and take care of something, and the girl was like, someone's being racist to that girl, and that girl's white. And then I said, can someone be racist to a white person? And then another guy was like, yeah, you can call us crackers. And then I was like, okay, so that's how you be racist to a white person. How do you be racist to a black person? Say the N-word, but you can't say the N-word. So how are they the same? Like, he's saying they're the same, and we got like a little fight. I'm like, no, it's not the same. Like, then say the N-word if it's the same thing. If you can say the word cracker, you should be able to say the N-word if they're in the same level. But they're not. N-word's up here, crackers down, all the way down here. Like, I'm not going to play this game. Stop being racist, stop being homophobic. And it was the same person that was being homophobic, same person that was being transphobic. And then after that racist thing, I was like, I'm done. I can't show a white supremacist how to stop being racist. That's impossible. Like, you try that. It's impossible. Or being transphobic or homophobic. Like, I live in Iowa, white supremacist state. Trump, we literally have a Trump mural down there next to our work. It's crazy. I need to get out of here. I know. But then what happened after all that, I just like, okay, I don't care. I'm not going to fight with you about that. You can believe what you want to believe. I'll believe what I want to believe. Just stop. And then after that, he said, well, I identify, my pronouns are a helicopter or something like that, or I identify as a helicopter or something like that, and then like laughed about it. I'm like, and this is a couple guys, like all this is a couple different guys. They're all like 17 years old and still like high school. I don't think any of them graduated. I think some of them have graduated, but it's all those like kids that are like, well, I guess they're not kids anymore. I think some of them graduated, some of them didn't. It's like, bro, like one of them is like 17 with a kid, and it's like, you're saying all this, you're being homophobic, transphobic, and racist, and you're gonna have a kid on the way. Yeah, it's crazy. And I was like, I take offense to that because I'm transphobic. I take offense to that because I'm transgender. I'm transgender. Like, obviously I'm going to take offense to you being like, I identify as that, because I identify as he, him. They are real pronouns. If you identify as real pronouns, cool. But don't stop joking around. You can tell he was joking around being a douchebag, because we just got in a fight. And I'm the only trans person there. And it's like, do better, guys. Come on, stop being racist, homophobic, transphobic. Just be happy and love each other.